You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble deep inside. I wanna feel your touch and get enough of your sweet.
Hi friends, thanks for checking out my video. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping in. And if you are already subscribed and coming back, thanks for coming back to watch more. I am fairly new to YouTube. I've only been on here for a few months, or maybe even if that long, maybe 6 weeks. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I wanted to tell you that if you have a dream and you really want something, just go for it. I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for a few years now, and I just never started because I wanted it to be perfect. And as you can see, my videos aren't perfect, and that's okay. At least I started, and I know that I will grow over time and get better. And even if you look at other people's videos, like their channel, if they're blown up already, and you go and look at their channel, you can see that at one point they may not have been that great, or their videos weren't that great, and it took them time to figure it out and grow over time. And that's true in anything in life. You don't start by knowing everything. You have to start and grow. And that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, is starting something and growing it. And no matter what it is, if you're just starting in boudoir photography, or if you're just starting out as a photographer, or maybe you're already a kick photographer and you have other things that you want to start on, or maybe you just want to go to the next level in your photography, the whole key to it is just getting in there and doing it. You have to start. You have to start somewhere. And if you don't know where that starting point is, then that's when you go out and you find inspiration for it, or get a business coach or a life coach or somebody that's going to help you go in the right direction. For me, it started when I went to a big conference. It actually was the Rachel Hollis Business Conference. And while I was there, they had all these amazing speakers, and the key takeaway for me was to just do it. Don't wait for perfect. You just have to do it. And it finally sunk in, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go home. And the next day is when I started my first YouTube video. I sat down, I made it, I uploaded it, and then I was like, oh my God, this is horrible. I hope people don't dislike it. But you know what? I did it. I made it happen, and now I'm just trying to grow and get better, and that's all that I can do. And I think it's a start. At least I'm progressing and I'm getting somewhere. If you don't start, then you're never going to get there. It's just like when you go on a diet and they say, you just have to start eating better. You have to start exercising. You have to start somewhere. And if you would have started today, by the end of this year, you would already be at your goal weight, or you would already be where you want to be. So there's really something to that. You really just have to think about it and think about where it is that you want to be, and write your goals down and decide, this is what I'm going to do, and then start working on it, because you're never going to get there if you don't work on it. Sorry, I talk with my hands a lot, so I can't help it. But anyway, I would love to hear down below in the comments what it is, what your goal is going to be for 2020. And if you're seeing this video later in the year, then I would love for you to comment below and tell me how you think I'm doing in my videos. Like, look at some of my current videos and tell me, like, hey, your videos are way better, or they're not as good as they could be. So I am always open to hear feedback, and I especially want to hear from you what your goals are. I would love to see this, and so please post them down below in the comments, because I really do want to know. And I would love for people to be interactive. Like, if you see somebody that comments on a goal that you're hoping to do this year as well, then comment on their comment and let them know that you're trying to do the same thing. I would love to create a community here that we're supporting each other and helping each other grow. So that's really one of the things that I'm hoping will happen with my YouTube channel, is that I don't want to just come on and throw information at you. I really want to be interactive. I'd really love to hear the things that you want to know about. You can post those in the comments below. If there's anything that you want me to talk about or to research and help you with, then I would love to hear about it. So of course, I can't answer every question. Like, I might not know the answer, but I'm happy to try to answer it for you. So definitely comment and let me know. And if you are new here, I hope that you'll subscribe and watch some of my future videos. I will be releasing a video every week. So that's my goal for 2020. I want to release a new YouTube video every week. And I'm hoping that I will grow, and by the end of 2020 that I will be kicking on YouTube. Oops, I think I have to bleep that out. I don't know if you're allowed to cuss on YouTube. I think it's family friendly, so you're not supposed to. I'm going to bleep that, so just so you know. So anyway, I am so happy that you're here, and I hope that you will stick with me and see how it goes. So also, if you want to see more of my work, I will post some links down below so you can see my websites, and also I will post a link to my Instagram. Well, it's not a link. I'll post my Instagram right here so you can see what that is, and then I'll post a link below so you can also click on it and go straight to it. So I hope that you'll follow along and check me out on social as well. But anyway, thanks so much, guys, for listening, and I hope that you have a wonderful 2020, a wonderful new year, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks. Bye.